Well, I'm back from my 2,000-mile trip to Pleasanton, Oregon, and back. Had a great time. Met a lot of people. On my way there, I visited Aaron Fletcher. He lived in Ashland, Oregon. We stopped by and talked shop.
Yeah, I wish that everything that we discussed could be distilled down to a really potent, helpful video because my camera ran out, your battery was low from the beginning. But yeah, we discussed some really important things as far as the designs of these micro wagons go.
I'm going to be doing a video after this video on the interview with Aaron. But on this video, pretty much focusing on the vans that were there at the Tiny Fest. There were also trailer homes, home-built trailer homes. Yeah, I just wanted to focus on the subject of kind of what Lloyd Kahn's book was focused on, which is Home on Wheels. I also want to apologize for the crappy video and audio on this. It's not the best. I was cramming a lot of information on my little phone, so hence it got a little choppy on the video. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Well, we're here. This is the beginning of the event. It's going to be a doozer. Hopefully it won't get too hot today. This is Lloyd Kahn. Kind of the reason why I came out here. I wanted to help promote his new book. Here's another vehicle that showed up to the event. Somebody who was in Lloyd's book. This is Ben and his cool rig. Check his rig out.
Oh,
Is that right for film?
oh, this is nice.
This is an awesome camper.
Really nice people. Yeah, he's a solo builder, so he built them all by himself, which is incredible.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy it though.
Yeah, I believe he either graduated as an engineering major or he was like, I don't need to graduate, I'm very good at this.
Sorry.
I can just go build things.
Yeah. No, it looks nice.
Yeah, and the new, in one of the true vans over here, they have the Labio version with bags. So you get this cartridge and it has. Yeah. So over here, you can also bring this out. And now you got a perfect bench. Where you can have an office space, dining room area. There's also one in the front too, so you don't have to put your bed away or anything. You just use the front one as well.
Really, really old one that's like massive. I'm not the production manager.
You guys are not shipped, so thank your brethren, but you guys can never free. You're smart, you do your gigs, man. I love that.
Check this out. This is his water tank water. It lights up. You got lights? Can you show? Mike?
There you go. Got some colors changing.
Nice. What's your name again? I forgot.
Sam.
Sam.
Nice to meet you.
This is Sam.
Tall man in a van on Instagram.
There you go. So this is Renee.
Hey!
She's a wonderful person. She's got a great thing going here. I got in the potluck last night. It's fun. big circle, people talking about their experiences. What are you happy for?
Oh yeah, what are you grateful for?
What are you
Everyone
grateful
said
for?
what they are
Yeah.
grateful for.
That was cool.
So just take a moment, and it was anything from air conditioning to very heartfelt moments, and a lot of people being grateful for each other, and that was awesome. Gratitude circle. We
Yes.
started that years ago, and we've been trying to do it at every event.
Very cool.
Live with all these amazing people and run my own business and get to do what I want, be my own boss, and get to share that with as many people as I can. So it's amazing.
Anyone else?
Randy.
That I am thankful that there's a community that believes that a non-normal lifestyle is perfectly normal.
Joss?
I'm so grateful for all of y'all. I mean, it's been amazing to capture and just see everybody's smiles. I'm so glad that I met Travis and just kind of took a chance to be like, hey, you should check out this thing called Tiny Fest. And it kind of grew into a family. We've been kind of locked in as friends. So thank you so much.
And this is her bus. Let's go inside. Got an official door on here. I like that. Nice hardwood floors. It works. Toilet. Kitchen area. Simple kitchen setup. I like it. Keep it simple, stupid. That's my motto. You guys know that by now. Gotta have the AC. Yeah. Man, I really like it. By far, one of my favorites right here. First, he's towing this rig with the old 70s van. Look at these. Remember these old plush couches? Kickback chairs. Oh my God. Brings me back to the days. So this is fun, but it's not exactly what I'm in love with, although it is super awesome. It's this guy. Used to be a pop-up camper. He just totally tricked it out. Tore out the canvas. And that's the guy right there.
The guy.
I just didn't want us to interrupt it.
This is a close second.
Please go in, check it out. Yeah.
Cool. And she claims it's too much space for her because they did live in a smaller place. It's all relative. It's what you're used to. Never be too big. Well, it can be too big, but you can never be too small. They tricked this out in a special way. They have a child. I think she's about 3-4 years old. So I'm just going to slowly go through, show the place. It's the kitchen. This is my favorite add-on that they did. This is for their kid. It's actually a room. Isn't that cool? Goes up to her bed. Here we have it, my second fave, right here. This is a rig that they lived in for a while.
all custom built.
These are gym lockers. Love these old cabinets.
You get that much business after Christmas. I mean after Christmas. You know, I was like, is that?
I don't know. I don't sell anything, so I don't know if it's good or not.
This is cool. They totally wrap themselves around the Halloween spirit, and I love it. Very cool. Here's a beast. I like it though. Tell he's got a lot going on. What's your name?
Matt.
Hey Matt.
Matt. I live in here. I've been in here for about 2 years.
I love his paint scheme. I mean, here it is. You take just upcycle whatever and rip out the paint and give it a new face. Wonderful. Oh, look at this. I love the cans. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because we're able to shower shirt. Can I ask questions about your investing in the, how did you get brought in on that?
Simple storage. Nice. Now, I've yet to talk to this fellow. He's doing it in an old van. Before Sprinter vans, right? I love these guys. This is not a new idea, just a rehash of an old idea. Well, we're packing it up. Lloyd and his son. Been my neighbor for 2 days. It's been a wonderful time hanging with him and listening to his stories. Time to get this guy in the truck. Lloyd, thank you so much.
Paul,
right.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like I said, I came here to promote his book.
Yeah. Yeah, that worked.
Rolling Homes. Yeah. And he sold, how many books do you think he sold?
We probably sold 100 books.
There you go. It's a start, but I think this is going to be big. This was perfect for this event.
Okay, Paul, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Lloyd.
See ya.
Take care. So that winds up my visit to the Alameda Tiny Fest. It was fun hanging out with Lloyd Kahn. I got a nice old book from him. This is the one that inspired me as a kid. Many, many drawings from things that he had printed up in this book. He even told me how he laid it out, old-fashioned style. It's a 40-year-old book, some amazing structures in here. Anyway, I got it as a freebie from Lloyd. And again, I came here to promote his new book, Rolling Homes. And that's what this show is all about. So this is a cool book. I think you guys might really love it if you're at all into the idea of tiny living. I was here for 2 days, had a good time, real good time. This is a neat bunch of people, these folks. I'm hoping maybe coming to another one of these. I missed Burning Man this year, but a lot of that vibe was here. This is a tight community. They're nomads and they're living free, doing what they want to do, figured out how to make money remotely, and that's an important thing to learn. And they're joyous people. Met a lot of neat people here, engineers and like. Good conversations, man, a lot of brainstorming. Met Jay over here with his homeless idea. He's been spending $1,000 to make like a bulletproof vessel the size of my little rig for the homeless, giving them away. Anyway, it's been a busy weekend. I'm anxious to get back on the road and get back home. I'm gonna go visit Aaron Fletcher, I think, again. Chat some more about the idea of nomad living, micro mini style. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.